They all hit that jump, I don't know.
That was nice. Boy, he reaches out with his front, doesn't he?
Mm-hmm. So I told her to Brianna, don't forget to step it up a middle through these diagonals. Cause last time he's just barely, like he's just off a little bit. So step him up a little bit. Push, 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 push. Yeah, see, he just needs a...
Open your shoulders up a little, Bree. Thank you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Brianna, push him on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That was better.
Good job, Bree. He looks very light in the mouth.